What's up guys, welcome back to another video. Dershutze is live right now. The Orphan tee will be loading right now. It's currently 12 o'clock. It's a late drop. It's a little bit late. Should be loading in right now. We're opening a new tab of the shop. Okay, so we have the t-shirt as well as the crew neck. So I'm just going for the crew neck today. We're going to go for large. Add to cart. Okay. And we're also going to add the t-shirt. Okay. And now we're going to go to cart. Okay. Okay, I just messed that up. Oh, so I added way too many in the cart. It's not letting me check out. So I don't know what's going on. The cart's not letting me check out on Dershutze. Okay, so it came up. I'm just gonna do PayPal. That was weird, it didn't come up. Okay, we're logging in now. Okay, so we're entering in the code right now for the payment. We're very late on this drop, but we're gonna have to see if we can actually get this. It's taking a long time to load. Okay, so it's sold out. It's out of stock. All right, so that's gonna be it. All right, so we're gonna take a look at the shirt. It just sold out. We're gonna give it a refresh. Sold out. Okay, and then the t-shirt, let's see. The t-shirt is still available, but the crew neck has sold out. For the t-shirt as well as the crew neck, all the profits will be donated and it's gonna be manufactured in their own factory in Germany. But that's cool that they're donating all the profits of the Orphan tee. I'm not sure how to pronounce it. It's Waisenkind, and that actually translates to orphan in German. Thank you guys for watching today's video. If you guys have not yet, please subscribe to my YouTube channel and also check out this video that YouTube recommends that you watch. Thank you guys for watching. I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.